here. Welcome to phonics lesson. Today the topic will be on the long and short oo sound. And oo is a diphthong, a combination of two vowel sound that makes the sound oo. The o is oo sound. Okay, let's look at your textbook on page 19. All right, let's do we read on the short oo sound. Okay, ka-oo, cook, cook. Ha-hoo, hook, hook. Ba-oo, book, book. Al-oo, look, look. These are the short oos: book, cook, hook, and look. Okay, and now we go on the long oo sound. Fa-oo, food, food. M-oo, moon. Z-oo, zoo. Spa-oo, spoon, spoon. Sta-oo, stool, stool. Food, moon, zoo, spoon, and stool. So these are the long oo sound. See? Now let's read on these words and let's see which one is the short and the long oo sound. Okay. For foot, foot. Is it a short or long? Foot is short. Go good, good. Is it a long and short oo? It's a short oo. Okay. Pa-oo, pool, pool. This is a long oo, pool. Ta-oo, too. This is the long oo. Wa-oo, wood, wood. This is the short oo. You get it? Book, cook, hook, look. Short. Food, moon, zoo, spoon, stool. These are the long oos. Okay. Now you know the difference of long oo and short oo. Good. Now let's go on to your practical book.